Alright, every time I go trash picking, I think the last video I posted, I went trash picking, I got a whole bunch of metal from that one person's house. And I always leave a business card when there's a bunch of metal out there. So I just got a text from my business number and it said, "Good afternoon, sir. Last Saturday you stopped at this address and removed some scrap items and left your card. Thank you for the card. If you would like, there are more in the back you could remove. My son is remodeling the garage and there is stuff to recycle such as power tools, washer, metal racks, wheelbarrow, etc. Thank you in advance. All but the ladders can be taken. You'll see items that are brand new, and they can be taken also, just not the ladders." So, sweet, let's go pick up some awesome stuff. I don't know what.
Got another receiver, that, an Xbox. There's a monitor, computer, keyboards.
I got my little partner with me today. I always trip over that stupid, whatever it is, train thing. I won.
No, I won.
I think I closed my door first. Oh, definitely won that time. This is metal. These power tools. Anything in this pile. Cool. There's a lot of stuff. Alright, this is the first trip. I'll take everything out, I'll show you. It's kind of good stuff. I was going to bring my trailer, but I can't because I have 50 2x4s and 200 chairs, or 100 chairs or whatever. I'm making benches for my fiance's roller derby team, so I need this trailer, but it's filled with like 1 billion pounds. I got this washer, refrigerator door, all this scrap in this area, that whole bucket of aluminum, and that nail gun, this Ryobi chop saw, or whatever you, miter saw, whatever you want to call it, with this broken, so probably just broke. Trailer hitch, a bunch of chain I could weld with. This thing you put behind my tire, I'll put it behind my trailer tire. Air ratchet gun. This nice, really heavy vise. 2 of these clamps. And I'm going back for more. So let's see what I get. I'll take this apart. Take this. That wheelbarrow. It said it's brand new. Alright, I got this pool, a shelf, that toolbox, which is awesome but weighs a ton. This weighs a lot to be aluminum, but there's only one way to check. Tucker's magnet will do the honors. Man, that means it's metal. Crap. I knew it was too heavy to be aluminum, but it would be awesome. I would have made a couple bucks from that if it was aluminum. That's these pieces. That's aluminum. Is that aluminum? How about the other one? That's aluminum too. Aluminum pile. How about I take this out? A bunch more stuff. How about this? Does it stick to that? Yep. So what's that mean?
It's metal.
It's metal. It's not aluminum. How about this piece? Ooh. it's aluminum. So we're getting a bunch of aluminum. Alright, went back. I got a brand new wheelbarrow, still wrapped up. All the pool things, a jack, all new caulking, all new spray paint never used. These things are brand new, Tri-Flow industrial lubricant, skill saw, sanders, another kind of saw back there, whole bunch of stuff. And that whole thing's filled with wires back there too. So, awesome score. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I just made this video real quick to show you, you know, leave your business card places, leave flyers places. You'll get a call back. I just randomly left my business card here and he called me and I got all that awesome stuff. And that toolbox is brand new. He never even used it. I'm putting it in my garage. I'm going to put it in my shed and put all like my bike parts and my bike tools and tubes and all types of stuff in it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this short little video. Summer's coming back. As you can tell in this video, there was still snow on the ground, but spring is here. It's 50s here now, so I'm going to be pumping out the video soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a scrapping good night.